everyone, and today we have to start in chapter 7, congruence of triangles. Okay, in this chapter the questions are based on the congruency of the triangles. But first we have to know that what is a congruence. Okay, so what is a congruence? Congruence means a process in which we have to compare two objects between their on the basis of their sides, angles. If they are just equal to each other, means then we can say that they are congruent. ठीक है? Suppose many times you have to see that some dresses are same, है ना? कुछ ड्रेसेस सेम होती हैं, कुछ बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो होते हैं वो सेम होते हैं, ठीक है? तो वैसे ही अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करें, अगर कुछ फिगर्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, सपोज यू हैव टू check the two lines are given. Okay, AB and CD, two lines are given. This is AB. This one is the line CD. Okay, so these two line segments are congruent if their measurements are same. अगर इन दोनों की measurement same है, suppose it is 6.5 centimeter and the length of the CD is also 6.5 centimeter, then we can say that these two AB and CD, they are congruent. It means its measurements are congruent. Then we can say that their size, these जो lines हैं, line segments are also congruent. Okay, so that is means if two lines are congruent, if and only if their length they have a equal length. ठीक है? If you have to compare two circles, अगर आप दो circles को check कर रहे हैं कि वो same है या नहीं, means if a circle is made by the radius, means एक जो सर्कल है वो उसकी रेडियस से ड्रॉ किया जाता है, ठीक है? जितनी लेंथ आप उस कंपास में यूज करते हैं उससे एक ट्रायंगल, इससे एक सर्कल ड्रॉ होता है. तो if their radii are equal, then we can say that these circles are also equal. Okay, so if its radius is r, its radius is also r, means r is equals to 2.5 centimeter. It is also 2.5 centimeter. If two circles having same radii, then we can say that these circles are also congruent. If they are not in circle, if two rectangles are given, then we have to check their length and breadth. If its length and breadth both are same in size, then we can say that these shapes are congruent. So these rectangles are congruent. If you have to check the square, then square means you know that, or we already know that all sides are square and equal. Means if you have to check two squares, means if two squares having the same side, means they have a equal side, means then we can say that they are congruent. Okay, it means congruence is a process in which we have to check the two objects according to their length and their angles. If they are equal, these objects, two objects, three objects, all objects are congruent. Okay, so first we have to start exercise 7.1. See the first one, it is given, you have to identify, some statements are given, and according to the given statement you have to identify which statements are true and which are false. The first is given, two obtuse angles are congruent. In question number 1 you have to identify true false. Okay, the first statement is given, two obtuse angles are congruent. But the obtuse angles are given, but where are the obtuse angles? जो उनकी जो लोकेशन है, जो पोजीशन है, वो किसके हैं, रेक्टेंगल के हैं या ट्रायंगल के हैं, it is not given. Means only the name of the angle is given, obtuse angle. So we cannot say that they are congruent. ठीक है? अगर उनका मेजरमेंट सेम है तो वो हो सकते हैं, बट मेजरमेंट इज ऑल्सो नॉट गिवन, देन द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. The second one, it is given, two squares with the same area are congruent. Yes, it will be possible. If two square having same area means we already know that their sides are equal. अगर उनकी साइड्स इक्वल हैं, ये तो हम पहले से ही जानते हैं, एरिया भी इक्वल है, तो हाँ वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो सेकेंड इज ट्रू. थर्ड, two rectangles with the same areas are congruent. It is not possible because rectangles have two sides, one length and other is called breadth. But if they are unequal, but it is possible to get the same result, same area of the rectangle. So it is not possible. False. D. Two circles with the same center are congruent. ये भी जरूरी नहीं है, अगर two circles हैं उनका same center है तो वो congruent. Two circles are given just like that. These two types of circles are given and their centers are at same position. दोनों का जो center है वो एक ही जगह पे है, but they are called concentric circles. They are not congruent because their radii are not equal. The first one is have a smaller radius and the second one is a larger. Its radius is also larger. Means they are not congruent. False. Two right angles are congruent. Okay, the right angle, we know that the value of the right angle is always equals to 90 degree. So these are congruent. E जो है वो true होगा. F जो है आपका two squares with the same perimeters are congruent. Okay, if two squares are given and if with the same perimeters are congruent, if both having a same perimeter, अगर दोनों का perimeter same आ रहा है मीन्स पैरीमीटर कहाँ से आते हैं, उनकी साइड से आते हैं. और हमें पहले से ही पता है कि स्क्वायर की साइड्स जो होती हैं, जितनी भी साइड्स हैं वो कैसी होती हैं, इक्वल. तो अगर इससे भी सेम पैरीमीटर मिल रहा है, दूसरे स्क्वायर के पैरीमीटर को फाइंड किया, वो भी सेम रिजल्ट दे रहा है, देन वी कैन से दैट द स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ओके, स्क्वायर्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. Two circles with the same diameters are congruent. Correct. If they having same diameter means its radius are also same, equal. तो अगर diameter same है, उनकी radius भी same होगी, तो वो congruent हो सकते हैं. The last one is correct. The second one, question number 2, in the given figure PQRS is a parallelogram. It is given. Write the congruent line segments. Okay. In parallelogram PQRS is given. PQRS. Okay, you have to identify the congruent line segments only. It means we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. It means PS is equals to, if PS is equals to QR, then we can say that PS is also congruent to QR. Okay? If PQ, you know that PQ is already equal to the opposite side SR, then we can say that PQ is also congruent to the side SR. In question number 3, it is given if AB is congruent to CD, PQ is congruent to RS, XY is congruent to MM. Means three line segments are the different line segments are given and they are equal. Then you have to find question number 3. AB is congruent to CD and PQ is also congruent to RS. One more line segment XY is also given, which is congruent to MN. Okay, then we have to find, first we have to find CD. If the length of AB is given, how much? 4.2 cm. 4.2 cm. We already know that it is already given that AB is congruent to CD, means अगर ये दोनों congruent हैं, then their size are also equal. They have a similar length. उनकी जो length होगी वो similar होगी. तो आपसे CD पूछा है, AB की वैल्यू दी, means अब दोनों congruent हैं तो दोनों की वैल्यू सेम होगी. Means AB is equals to CD is also equals to 4.2 centimeter. The next part it is given xy, find xy, mn is 5.5, mn is already congruent to xy, तो mn की जितनी वैल्यू है उतनी ही वैल्यू xy की भी होगी. If mn is 5.5 centimeter, then you also say that xy is also 5.5 centimeter. जो लास्ट है वो भी यही है. PQ की वैल्यू आपको फाइंड करनी है, RS की उन्होंने 6.1 दी है, बट ये भी कंडीशन दी है PQ is already congruent to RS. RS अगर 6.1 है, then we can say that PQ is also 6.1 centimeter. Okay. See the next one, question number 4. Using the given figure, answer the following question. A figure is given A O D, okay, and two more lines are given here, C D, okay, and some angles are given 15, 15, 30. 15 degree, it is also 15 degree, it is 30 degree. Okay. Then two questions are given. The first is given, which angle is congruent to the angle COD? Which angle is congruent? You have to identify the congruent angle of angle COD. COD के congruent आपको बताना है, तो COD is given here 15 degree. राइट हेयर एंगल COD की जो वैल्यू है वो 15 डिग्री. तो आप पहले ये चेक करिए जो मेजरमेंट्स है वो सेम होना चाहिए. तो अगर ये 15 डिग्री का है तो कोई और एंगल भी है जो 15 का है, दैट इज AOB मींस एंगल AOB इज आल्सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन फिगर यू हैव टू राइट एंगल AOB इज आल्सो 15 डिग्री मींस वी कैन से दैट एंगल, हियर यू हैव टू राइट देन एंगल AOB is congruent to the angle COD. The next one is given, which angle is congruent to the angle AOC? Angle AOC. First you have to identify the measurement of angle AOC. Angle AOC is this, the whole angle 15 plus 30, it is equals to 45 degree. तो अगर और किसी भी एंगल की वैल्यू 45 डिग्री है, मींस दैट इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू द एंगल AOC. दैट इज गिवन 15 डिग्री, दैट इज गिवन 30 डिग्री. 15 plus 30 it is also 45 degree. Means the angle BOD is also 45 degree. Then we can say that therefore angle AOC is congruent to the angle BOD. In question number 5, two figures are given. Angle AOC one ray is given, OB ray is given, and the angle AOB is given 40 degree. Another angle is given, PYR, it is Q. Okay, and the angle P by Q is given 40 degree. Okay, and the question is that in the given figure AQC is congruent to P by R. It is given AQC is congruent to angle P by R. Angle AQC angle AOC is given. Angle AOC is congruent to the angle P by R. इस P by R के congruent है, मतलब ये जो whole पूरा angle है that is congruent to this angle. तो जितनी वैल्यू इसकी होगी सेम उतना ही मेजरमेंट उस एंगल का भी होगा. ठीक है, ये आपको गिवन है. right here given. Then is BOC congruent to QYR? आपको पता करना है कि क्या BOC जो है, जो BOC है that is also congruent to QAR. वो इस QAR QYR के congruent होगा या नहीं होगा, तो वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है. तो first you have to write the given angle. But here it is given angle AOB is 40 degree and angle this one PYQ it is also 40 degree. And if you have to subtract, and these angles are congruent, ये दोनों एंगल congruent है. In suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, means we have to write angle AOB that is equals to angle PYQ that is also equals to angle 40 degree. That is your second equation. Then if we have to subtract equation second from equation first, on subtracting equation second from equation first, then we may write as angle AOC minus angle AOB, angle AOC minus angle AOB that is equals to angle P by R minus angle P by Q. P by Q. Okay, if we have to subtract angle AOC minus angle AOB, इस AOC से अगर हम AOB को माइनस करेंगे, then which angle comes? This one. Then you have to write BOC. अब अगर इस पूरे एंगल से अगर हम इस एंगल को माइनस कर देंगे, then this angle is remains on. Means the name of this angle is angle QYR. As proved, here you have to solve. You have to find the solution. The angle BOC is equals to QYR. Then we can say that these angles are also congruent. Okay.